Yes.
Okay, so are we live now?
Yeah. Says at the top.
We are live now.
Yes, perfect. Hi, everyone. I would like to welcome everyone to our podium round or the live judging session. And I would first like to introduce the people that we have with us in this round. But before that, a big welcome to everyone that is looking at us online on our YouTube link, parents, grandparents, teachers, IBB interested people. We're very, very happy to have you with us, and thank you for being here. Now, I would like to introduce the judging panel for our live judging session for today. And before that, I must extend our gratitude towards them. We're very, very happy to have you with us, and we're very grateful for your time. So to introduce them, I will start with Dr. Tracy Bale. Tracy is an Anschutz Foundation Endowed Chair in Women's Integrated Mental and Physical Health at Ludemann Center, and she is also Professor and Director for Intergenerational Stress and Health, and the Director for Sex Difference Research in the Department of Psychiatry at the University of Colorado, the Anschutz Medical Campus. Now, Tracy is not only an amazing scientist, but she's also a great educator, and she's also the current president of the International Brain Research Organization. And through that, she has been impacted, and she's impacting research in an important way. And we are very, very happy to have her with us, especially as it's very early in the morning for her. So thank you very much, Tracy.
Good morning. Thank you. It's great to be here.
Then I would really like to welcome and thank Patricia Gaspar. She trained as an MD, specialized in neurology and neuropathology. And in parallel, she studied neuropharmacology, obtaining a PhD in the anatomy of the dopaminergic system. Then she obtained a full-time position at INSERM in France, and then she became a principal investigator and laboratory director. And she has been doing a lot of not only research but also science outreach, and she has been part of the FENS Committee for Higher Education and Training, and of course she has participated in several other committees, as well as she has been involved in the IBB, and we thank her very much for that, and thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.
Then I would like to also welcome Dr. Charles Watson. Charles holds a doctorate in medicine and science, and is specialized in public health medicine, but he's most well known for his anatomy study. He's an amazing neuroanatomist and published over 100 research articles and 30 books. One of them being very popular in the IBB world is the one published together with George Paxinos that was cited over 100,000 times. And he's not only a specialist in his field and an amazing scientist, but he has been also very devoted to science outreach and to teaching. He has been for over 10 years involved in the Australian Brain Bee, and for the past years also in the International Brain Bee, and we are very thankful for his time and involvement. So thank you very much for being with us, Charles.
Thank you, Jana.
Now, I would just like to welcome the students that are attending our session today, and to congratulate them not only from my side but from the side of the IBB staff. We have with us 10 students that were the best within the competition up to now, and I would just like to explain to the ones watching us from the live streaming link how they precisely got here. So basically, we had an online test where the students had to undergo a multiple choice written test from general neuroscience, a neuroanatomy and neurohistology practical part, as well as a patient diagnosis, asking them about clinical neurobiology. Now, after all the countries attending the IBB World Championship entered this online competition, we basically corrected their questions, and the students that got the best score are here with us today. Now, we are not set on always taking the first 10, but what we always see is that a group of students are usually detaching themselves in the number of points they get a bit from the majority of the other grades. So then we usually take this group of students, which this time happened to actually be 10, a very round number. So I would like to especially congratulate them for being with us today. And I will just list them in the alphabetical order. So we have Samuel Richards from Australia, We have Lisa Wei from Canada. We have Jerry Pan from China. We have Andrew Chung from Hong Kong. We have Benedek Chismar from Hungary. Then we have Mohadesh Sarejemi from Iran. We have Ilans Birmans from Latvia. And we have Chilok Chen from Macau, Andrei Dudnik from Ukraine, and Harini Venkatesh from the USA. So I hope I pronounced your names correctly. I would just like to explain now a bit how our round works. So basically, the students will have to answer questions about neuroscience, general questions that can be answered within, on the study guide that they received. It's an elimination round. The students can give up to 2 wrong answers, but after they give the second wrong answer, then we would have to part with them. And we hope in the end that we'll have one or a few winners of this round. Now, the overall winner of the International Brain Bee World Championship is decided by accumulating the points from all the competition parts. So not only this part of the competition, but overall also the online part that we discussed about before. Now, that being said, I would just like to wish good luck to the students and thank again to the judges for being with us. And I would just like to ask the students if they are ready to go to the questions. Or let's put the question differently. Is there anyone having any problem or is everybody ready? Okay, as I don't hear anyone asking for help, I will assume that we are all ready for the competition. So then we will start with question number 1, and I'm going to ask our judge, Professor Charles Watson, to read the question.
Question 1 is, what is the term given to the enlargement at the tip of a growing axon?
So the students have now 30 seconds to type in their answer. Okay, time is running up. Please submit your answer.
So I'm clicking the submit, but it doesn't doing anything. Could you see my answer?
Have all 10 answers in, yes.
Okay, then.
Okay, so the time is up now. Thank you very much. I'm happy that it worked. So the correct answer for this question is the growth cone. So, Charles, did you get the answers from our students? Can you tell us if they answered correctly or not?
I can't see them. I'm looking at Podium round responses, but I can't see all the answers the same as I
You
did
need to
before.
scroll down. You need to see from row 12 to 21.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Good.
okay, good.
I need help. Okay.
Oh,
So, from Latvia, the answer was growth cone, correct. From Canada, growth cone, correct. United States, growth cone, correct. Hungary, growth cone, correct. Macau, growth cone, correct. Hong Kong, Philopodia, incorrect. Ukraine, axon terminal, incorrect. Iran, growth cone, correct. China, axon growth cone, correct. And Australia, growth cone, correct.
Awesome. Thank you.
Great. Very well done. Thank you very much for your answer. Are we all ready to go to question number 2? Okay. As I don't hear anyone screaming for help, then I assume that we can go to question number 2. So we can go ahead. And Tracy, you can read the question out loud. Thank you.
Okay, good morning, everybody. It's morning in Denver. Which glial cell type plays an important role in synapse formation during brain development?
Okay, please submit your answers if you have not done so already. And the time is up. And the correct answer for the question is astrocytes or astroglia. So Tracy, if you can tell us if our students gave the right answer.
Yes. Okay. United States, correct. Canada, correct. Latvia, correct. Ukraine, correct. China said microglia. That is incorrect. Macau, correct. Australia, correct. Iran, correct. Hong Kong, microglia. That is incorrect. And Hungary said Schwann cell. That is incorrect.
Okay.
With this, we already have to unfortunately say goodbye to our Hong Kong champion.
Thank you very
You
much.
mentioned Iran, sorry.
Iran is correct.
All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. And are we all ready to continue to the next question? I hope so. Okay, so then we will go to question number 3. So Patricia, please read the question.
Hello, I hope you hear me correctly.
Yes.
What is the term for the way electrical signals travel down myelinated axons between the nodes of Ranvier that allows for more rapid transmission?
Okay, please submit your answers if you have not done so already.
So,
And the time is up. So the correct answer is saltatory conduction.
so we have Latvia, saltatory conduction, correct. US, saltatory conduction, correct. China, correct. Hungary, correct. Canada, correct. Australia, correct. Ukraine, correct. Macau, correct. Iran, solitary, incorrect.
Look, can I?
I couldn't
can I
write
just-
it. Can I
Can
have
I
another
just-
question?
Sorry, just 1 second.
I just want to intervene about the Iran answer. Solitary is obviously a misspelling of saltatory,
Okay.
but the word jumping is put in after that, which is after all another word for saltatory. So I'm not sure that should be marked wrong. That's all.
Okay.
What do
So-
the other judges think?
Accepted.
Thanks.
Okay,
Yeah,
Okay.
I think it's
Good.
good.
thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
so in general, we don't care about misspelling, so that should not be him.
Correct.
Is everybody ready to continue to the next question? Okay, then we can go on. And question number 4. Charles, please go ahead.
Identify the term for the liquid found inside all cells.
Okay, please submit your answer. And the time is up now. So the correct answer for this is intracellular liquid or cytosol or cytoplasm. So please, Charles, let us know.
They're all they're intracellular fluids, and they're all correct except there isn't an answer from Hungary. I can't see an answer there. Maybe am I?
There
There's
is.
one.
There is one.
Oh, it's in the line above. I'm
Okay.
sorry, that's stupid. So they're all correct.
Okay, perfect. Well done. Very well done. Great, congratulations. Is everyone ready to go to the next question? Okay, then let's go to our next question, question number 5. Tracy, the floor is yours.
Okay, question number 5. Everyone take a deep breath. Relax. Okay, here we go. Identify the process by which a cell surrounds and engulfs a large particle.
Okay, please submit your answer. The time is up, and the correct answer for this is phagocytosis.
Okay, this was a little tricky. So phagocytosis is the correct answer. So China, correct. Latvia, incorrect. Australia, correct. Hungary, incorrect. Macau, incorrect. Iran, oof. Not sure how the judges want to weigh in on this. That's sort of giving two answers that, and same with Canada. So I'm not sure, we have to discuss that. Ukraine is correct and the United States is correct. Because in the question, it specifies cell surrounds and engulfs a large particle. So putting in those two answers, how do the other judges feel about adding both endocytosis and phagocytosis?
Maybe we can choose the first one as being the one that...
I think you have to choose the first one.
That would make both Iran and Canada incorrect.
Correct. I agree.
We're sorry for that, but it is what it is. So yeah, please try to write one answer.
Sorry,
First.
can I have a question? So like, is a fluid particle, so like some chemical particle that is a fluid-like, isn't it, makes it a particle as well? So like,
Well, particle by definition, at least in my book, would mean not a liquid.
Solid.
But at least if you read the definition of phagocytosis, it involves a particle. And if you talk about liquid, it's it's pinocytosis or endocytosis. That's also because it's a different mechanism behind it. So
Yeah, there
Okay.
was a lot of details that made that one a little tougher, I think. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's okay, everybody, take a deep breath. We have more
Yes.
questions to go.
You've done well. We have more questions, and you've all done well.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
so is everybody ready to continue?
We just unfortunately have to say goodbye to Hungary in that case.
No, we are really sorry. We understand. Okay, thank you very much for being with us until now. You've done very well. And if everybody's ready, then we can continue to our next question. We have question number 6 for Patricia.
So in this one, you have to relax because it's massage. In massage therapies, pressure is applied to relieve muscle pain. Identify the theory which is behind this.
Please submit your answer. Thank you very much. And the time is up. So the correct answer would be, yeah, the gate control or the theory of pain.
Pain. When you stimulate an area, you inhibit the pain mechanism. So Canada has it correct. Latvia unfortunately is incorrect. Although massage can have an effect, but this is not the correct answer. Iran, sorry, this is mind-brain theory. This is not applied here. It's incorrect. Australia is correct. Gate control theory. China, losing the connection, it's incorrect. United States, acupuncture theory, incorrect. Macau, stretch muscles, so relax, an incorrect answer. And Ukraine, incorrect answer, unfortunately.
Okay, this was a tricky question, but let's hope that we'll be able to get over it. Marlene, any announcements?
Unfortunately, that was a very strong elimination round now. But yeah, very tough question. So unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to China, Iran, Latvia, Macau, and Ukraine. Well done so
Wow.
far.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's big.
Congratulations. Okay, we are very few, but going strong. I see China has a question, yes?
Excuse me. I think this question specifies that pressure is applied to relieve muscle pain. So the gate control theory, I believe it's specifically about using touch to relieve pain. But I think here it's muscle pain. So we could answer something specific that relates to muscle.
Yes, but this is, I mean, here the question is identify the theory which is behind this. So it's a neurological theory. It's not about, of course,
Practice.
maybe the question was maybe a bit tricky.
It's not asking the mechanism, it's asking the theory.
Yeah, precisely. So you would need to name it and not to say the mechanism behind it.
Okay,
Very
understood.
concerned, but
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, now we are very few. We thank you. And yes, I see we have a question from Nadia.
Yeah, I would like to ask when we will know the results of the whole competition.
That's a question for Marlene for later. Let's talk about that a bit later. You will know that. We will let you know. No worries. But you've done very well. Obviously, you're all have done very well. So thank you very much for being with us until now. So Marlene, how many competitors do we still have in the round?
We still have our last 3 competitors standing, which is Australia, Canada, and United States.
Well, congratulations. Very well done. Okay, 3 parts of the world. So let's go to the next question. No.
I can't
And
see that.
now I'm having problems. Okay, now we went to the next question for Charles Watson. Charles, the floor is yours.
Okay. It says, identify the most common technique used to diagnose epilepsy.
Okay, all answers are already in.
Okay, thank you very much. Great.
Okay, all 3 are correct. The electroencephalogram or electroencephalography and EEG in brackets after it in every case. Perfect. This was a much more straightforward question than the last one, I think. Well done.
Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, very well. Okay, then if everybody's ready, we can go on to our next question. Question number 8. So Tracy.
Okay, again, let's all take a deep breath in. Take your time thinking through this. Identify the specific ventral temporal cortical region. So that's ventral temporal cortical region that is involved in processing the spatial layout of scenes.
Okay, please submit your answer. And the time is up. The correct answer will be the parahippocampal splice area, or also accepted the entorhinal cortex.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we have some brilliant students on because all 3 of them got it correct. Australia correct, Canada correct, US correct. Congrats.
Congratulations, very well done. Okay, if everybody's ready, then we can go to our next question. And I have the impression that we're going to go like this for a while, which is very good. So let's go to our next question. Question number 9, Patricia.
Yes, which is also quite straightforward. Identify 2 organelles of the endomembrane system.
And you need to give us 2 to have your answer considered correct.
2 organelles.
So 2 organelles of the endomembrane system. Okay, please submit your answer. And the time is up. So correct answers would be the Golgi, the endoplasmatic reticulum, but we also accept, of course, vesicles. So Patricia.
So US, we have lysosomes and the Golgi apparatus. So I guess lysosomes can be considered as one type of vesicles. I would consider this acceptable. Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, good. Similar, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi, that's good, correct. So all 3 correct.
Congratulations, very well done. And we thought that's going to be a tricky question, but obviously was not. Okay, is everybody ready to go on to our next question? Okay, I hope so. So let's go to question number 10, Charles.
Identify the class of proteins that bind to DNA and that can either promote or inhibit the expression of specific genes. So it's proteins binding to DNA that either promote or inhibit the expression of specific genes.
Please submit your answer. And the time is up. So a correct answer for this would be transcription factors. So Charles?
Well, United States and Canada both say transcription factors. Australia says gene expression modulators. Quite honestly, I don't know. Can I ask the other judges what they feel about that?
That's incorrect for me.
Yeah, that's not, I mean, that's what they do, but it's not the class.
Yeah.
Correct. So I think we'd accept the first two as correct. The third one is incorrect. Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. That's no problem though. So we still have all our last three standing and everyone has one strike already. So, but everyone's still in.
How egalitarian of us. That's really great. Congratulations. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Question number 11, Tracy.
Okay, everybody. What is the term given to describe the specialized type of cell movement responsible for the formation of cortical layers during embryogenesis?
Okay, the time is almost up, so please submit your answer.
Yay. Okay. We have, again, brilliant students here. All three of them got it correct with radial migration.
Great, thank you very much. Congratulations, very well done. Okay. So let's see if you can do as well continuously. So
Yeah.
the next question, very well done. Congratulations. So question number 12, Patricia.
So this may be more tough. What is the name of the chemical compound that can help prevent neural tube defects if eaten in food or taken as a dietary supplement? So a chemical compound that prevents neural tube defects. Could be taken during pregnancy, for instance, to prevent these defects.
No
Well,
problem.
we had 3 correct answers.
Okay.
I think.
Oh, wow. So I don't even have to think about
Yeah.
how many more. It's very well. Okay. Congratulations again. Okay. Then let's go to the next question. Question number
Thank
13, Charles.
13. Identify the mechanism by which rabies virus or herpes
Just-
simplex.
And
Sorry, just 1 second. I think you're reading the wrong question. Maybe the one on the screen.
Oh, sorry. Why is my list here?
Maybe it's the updated version.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I see. Okay. That it's the same sort of thing. It says identify at least one type of viruses
no,
used to study. No, unfortunately, I've given you the answer, so I
Yeah.
can't do it.
So maybe we just skip this question just to
Yeah.
be safe, and then
Sorry about that. Can I go to the next one?
yeah, maybe we but maybe we allow Tracy to go to the next one, and then we skip you for this time, Charles, if it's okay with you.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Good. Thank you very much. Then let's go to Tracy again. Okay, Tracy, thank you.
All right. Question 14, state the term for the small depolarizations that occur spontaneously in the resting neuromuscular junction.
Okay, please submit your answer.
Okay, so Canada. So the answer is miniature end plate potentials are MEPS. Canada is correct. Australia is correct. Unfortunately, the US, that is incorrect.
Okay, and with this, we also unfortunately have to say goodbye to the US. Congratulations.
Congratulations on making it. This is
Wow.
fantastic.
Absolutely. Come on, this is very far. So congratulations to all of you and also to the ones that stay with us. So then let's go to the next question. Question number 15, Patricia.
Okay, so question 15. Identify the cutaneous receptor that consists of an elongated, encapsulated stack of flattened epithelial cells and which is responsible for detecting low-frequency vibration, about 30, 50 hertz. I don't think that's important, but yeah, this organism in the skin that detects low-frequency vibration.
Okay, please submit your answer. And the time is up. So correct answer would be Meissner's corpuscle.
Yeah. So Canada misspelled the name, but has it right. Meissner corpuscle, but I would accept this. And Australia had it correct. Meissner corpuscle.
Congratulations, very well done. Okay, then let's go to our next question. Let's see if we really find anything that can challenge you. So question number 16, Charles.
Identify the term that describes an increased sensitivity for feeling pain from noxious stimuli.
Answers are already in.
Okay, so correct answer would be hyperalgesia.
Both correct.
Okay, congratulations, very well done. Okay, let's cut the suspense and then go straight to question number 17, Tracy.
Okay, question 17. What is the name given to the functional cortical area in the premotor cortex that mediates saccadic eye movements?
Both answers are in.
Okay, so correct
And
answer.
both answers are correct again. Thank you.
Congratulations, amazing. Very well done.
Amazing.
Okay.
So clever.
We're getting towards the end of our questions. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 18, Patricia.
So identify the chemical compound in the midbrain that makes it appear distinctly darker in the dissection. So when you cut brains and you see some dark staining in the midbrain, what could that be? The chemical compound.
Okay, please submit your answers. And the time is up, so we would require neuromelanin or melanin.
Okay. So Canada has it correct. Neuromelanin, there was hesitation here with metal zinc, but we will consider the first answer, which is correct.
Okay,
Both
so
correct.
are both correct?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really great. Fantastic. Congratulations. Very well done. Okay, let's go straight to question number 19, Charles.
Identify the specific location or brain structure in the which contains Lugaro cells, Lugaro.
Please submit your answer.
Well, the correct answer is cerebellar cortex. And in both cases, the candidates have said cerebellum. And in fact, in Sam's case, he said cerebellar granule cell layer. It is, hold on, should we? It's cerebellum, according to my sheet here, is not correct, but cerebellum granule cell layer. I thought Lugaro cells were actually at the junction of the Purkinje granule cell layer. Can someone tell me?
Yes, they are more in the they're not really in the granule cell. I mean, yeah, the
No,
junction.
they're on the outside of the granule cell. So
I would argue that this question is not worded very well because it says brain structure, and the cortex isn't a structure as much as the cerebellum. I don't know. I feel like it's not a great worded question.
When we had discussed.
I mean, if you all agree, we could skip the question, as to be honest, both answers seems to be a bit.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
I think it should go.
I would go
Okay. Go on to the next question. We skip this question. So we don't consider it as giving it the point to any of the students. We just go to the next question with question number 20, Tracy.
All right, question number 20. Identify the mechanism by which rabies or herpes virus are transported within neurons of the central nervous system.
Both answers are already in.
Yep, and they're both brilliant students, so they're both
correct.
Oh, absolutely fantastic. Okay, good. Let's go straight to question number 21. Patricia.
So, what cervical spinal cord segment supplies the diaphragm? Tough anatomy.
Please submit your answers. And the time is up. Okay, so the correct answer would be C4, but we would accept maybe between C3 and C5.
So then both answers are correct because we have C5 and C4.
Okay.
I must say, as an anatomist, I would heavily rely on C4, but I have to say that there are fibers from C5 that go to the diaphragm as well, and so I think we could have worded the question better, but I think we'll accept them both.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So this is what I was also looking into the nerve. C4 would be the most appropriate answer, but actually the fibers come also some from C3 and C5, or Charles. So that would be
fine. Yep.
Okay, good. So then we will go to our next question. Congratulations. So question number 22.
That's me?
Yes.
Where is the auditory area in the cortex located?
Okay, please submit your answers. Time is up. So
in both cases, they say superior temporal gyrus, which is correct.
Okay, very well. Then let's go to question number 23. And I think we'll go on with Tracy. Sorry for that.
Okay. Identify the brainstem nucleus related to taste sensation.
Awesome. Both answers are already in.
All right. The correct answer is the NTS, or the nucleus of the solitary tract, or solitary nucleus. And so they're both correct again.
You guys are amazing. This is insane.
Amazing. Amazing.
Well, let's see. I mean, we have 2 more questions until we call it a day. So let's go to question number 24. And I think we're going to go with Patricia, of course. Sorry.
Yes. So identify the normal caloric response that occurs when cold water is irrigated into the right ear. So when you put water in the ear, what's the response?
Has a specific name, so
There's a specific name, yeah.
okay, please submit your answers. Time's up. So left beating nystagmus or nystagmus would be the correct answer.
Well, then we all have, I think, both correct.
Oh, wow. Okay, congratulations. Well, in that case, we have only one last question, and our last question is question 25, and then we'll go again back to Charles.
I'm just, oh, we haven't got this question still. Okay. Look, I'm sorry. I said before I didn't want this question, and I think it's a nonsense question for this time. In the 1920s, when syphilis was prominent, you used to ask medical students this, but quite honestly, you can't ask a medical student this any longer. I really can't accept the question.
Okay, then in
Sorry.
that case, we just stop the competition here. We anyways, would 25 would have been our last question. And in that case, we have 2 winners for the competition today.
Did we have a 26 I had on my list? No. Okay.
No, usually we take 25 questions and we would go for another one if we had anything special. But I would say that we call it a day and then we have
I
our
agree.
for today if the judges agree.
Fantastic.
So very well
But-
done. Congratulations. You've answered almost all our questions, obviously. So you've done very well, but not only the 2 of you, you all have done very well. So congratulations on a really great job. And really thank you very much. And also congratulations to our judges, because for them it's also a challenge. It's not only for you, it's just a different kind of challenge. Yeah, so congratulations to everyone. Thank you to our judges for being with us. And also for my colleagues that put together the system that we use today, as well as for the colleagues that created the questions in the background. Many people interested in the Brainby world contributed to that. So yeah, and to the families out there, of course, be proud of your children or of your students. They've done very, very well. So congrats, everyone. Well done.
Very difficult questions, and they did so
Good
well.
job.
Congratulations.
Bravo.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Congratulations. Don't forget to tune in for the award ceremony where everything will be announced.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So we're still in suspense. We don't know who's going to be the winner, because the winner of the competition will be the one who gets all the overall points, not only the ones. So it's still very much open. Okay, very well done. And of course, a special congratulations to our 2 winners for today. Amazing
Yes.
job.
Lisa and
Great.
Samuel. Well done.
Thank you very much. It was very nice to have you with us. We're gonna part
Bye.
now. At least